Alright, if you have a MAG Z590 Tomahawk Wi-Fi MS-7D08 and you have some missing drivers, let me show you what you need. Okay, so the way you can check is you right click the little Windows icon here, go to Device Manager. Obviously if you're in Windows 10 it'll show up differently, but here you can see we're missing the base system device, PCI device, SM bus controller, and unknown device. Usually those are all the Intel chipset drivers. So we're gonna Google MAG Z590 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. Obviously you don't have to use Google, you can use Yahoo, you can use Bing, you can use whatever MSI, I don't know if MS or MSN, I don't know, I mean you can go to MSI's website and search for it manually. But anyways, we're on this page now, okay, and we're gonna go to support. Alright, why isn't it going? Oh, we have to accept the cookies or decline them, so we'll accept the cookies. Alright, then we'll go to support, and here you go. I'm gonna also do a BIOS update, but the one we need is drivers. We're gonna go to driver, and we're on Windows 11, but you can do Windows 10, and you see Intel chipset drivers, so you'll download it. Once you download it, it'll show up as this Intel chipset. Just right click that, and then we're gonna extract all. And then we're just going to click extract. It should go to the same folder that you're in. So since we're on desktop, it went to the desktop folder. Sorry, we're zoomed in too much. So we're going to now open that folder. And here you see setup chipset. We'll just double click that. And we're going to say yes on the UAC. Let me open the device manager so you can see that it's working. We'll go next. Okay. Put that there. Okay. So hopefully you can see everything. Accept, install. And all of these, I think all of them should go away, usually. So let's see. Okay, so it's still going, and there you go. Oh, there's one unknown device. What is that? I don't know what that is. Let's restart and see if it disappears. While we're at it, we'll do the BIOS update. Let's see if it has that. I'm going to press F2. Okay, I think it's F2 or delete. I'm not sure. Maybe delete. So we'll press delete. Okay, if you're wondering about the BIOS update, you do the same thing, except you extract the file that's in that folder into a USB drive. So I extracted the file into a USB, so we're going, hopefully, okay. So here we go. Now we do the M-Flash, you can see here. So it says use USB to flash BIOS, so we push there. And yes, it will auto reboot. So yes, now it's gonna boot up, and then it's gonna load the BIOS flash. So we'll be back when it's restarted. Alright, it said entering flash mode, and here we go. So now we see the SanDisk Cruiser Fit, that's where it is on my USB, and we just need to find this. So the current one is this E7D08 MSI thing. Obviously, if you have a different motherboard, it will be different. So it says, are you sure? Yes, and we'll let it update. Alright, and we'll see you guys when it's done. Oh, and here you can see it's going from V.10 to V.A0, okay? And this is a July 11, 2024 BIOS. Right, and there you go, you can see the CPU temperature. Right, we'll let it go. Alright, it's just about done, 100%. And yeah, we'll see. Oh, alright, it restarts itself. And that's the BIOS update. So now we're going to finish finding out what the unknown device is, or if it already fixed itself. Alright, as you can see, the unknown device is still there, but now we're also getting this driver utility, so we can go next. We don't want all this junk here. Intel chipset, so it's gonna install stuff that we already installed. We can install all of them again, I guess. We don't need Norton, we don't need CPU-Z, we don't need the wallpaper. So Intel ME, Realtek HD, Intel Wi-Fi, Bluetooth network, and chipset. Okay, and then we'll install that, and that will go on its own. But what I found online, the way I did that was you right-click this. It's doing the drivers updates. Okay, but what you do is you right click that, go to properties, go to details, hardware IDs, right click the first one, copy, and then you just paste that to search. All right. So if you paste that in search, you'll see what other people say they found. Oh, the internet died because it's updating the driver. Okay, let me wait for that. Come on, here we go. Okay, so it should be coming back. Okay, so if you search, you'll see this Intel Serial I/O. So I don't want to download the Intel one. We go to the MAG website, same thing, the drivers. But now it's in other drivers, okay? Here's the Intel Serial I/O. We're going to download that. We're going to save this one. Okay. Now that that's done, we're going to extract that. So right click that, extract all, extract. Now we have this Intel Serial I/O. We're going to click the setup. And once we install this, that unknown device should go away. It might also go away on its own because of the other thing, because of this, but let's see. I don't think so. Ours is going first. Okay, Intel Serial I/O. Let me show you the thing just so you can see side by side. Accept, next, next, next. It's going. And once this finishes, it should be gone. Come on, do your thing. There you go. And as you can see, it filled out the system device and we're good to go. So now we got all the drivers. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, like, comment, subscribe, share my channel with others so that they can learn how to upgrade and repair their devices as well. And if it helped you save a bunch of money, please consider contributing a little to the channel. Every little bit helps and allows me to continue making these videos for a living. If you can't help out that way, like, comment, subscribe, watch a few of my other videos, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.